All right, so now we want to create the inner portion, and that's fairly easy. We just have to select the outer path that we created, and over on our properties window over here, tab, we have this offset path. And when we select it, you can see that it's going to offset that line. Now, right now it shows us it's a 0.1. If we were to come in here and let's take a look and say 0.5 and then hit tab, you can see that's about halfway. So we really have to go 1 inch. All right, so we're making it a 1 inch offset, and that brings it in. Now that may be a little bit too much, but again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So, I could do 0.9, and, that looks pretty good of, this size. Now, I'm going to go ahead and make sure you click on preview. If I click OK, that's going to create that inner shape. And over here, I can change the fill color to yellow, keeping the opacity at 54 so I can see the other image. Now, we also want to create one that's halfway, right? So I'm going to use the same offset path, and it's got the inner one selected, so it's coming in 0.9 because of the negative, right? Because negative, it's bringing it in. I'm going to delete that, and over here, what I'm going to do is I want this to be half. Now, maybe you're good with math, but if you just say 0.9 divided by 2 in tab, it'll actually calculate the value to 0.45. So now I've got an inner one, and for this one, I'll click OK. But for this one, I'm going to use no fill. I'm going to get rid of the fill, so it's just the line. And we're going to use this line to create the text on path for the text that goes around the shield.